I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. 'Cause I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Simply Serving vlog. I hope that you're all doing well and are enjoying what I think is the very beginning of autumn. I can feel that autumn is on the way, even though it has been very hot here in Illinois. But I am still busily preparing for fall and cold weather, which starts with me finishing my daughter's Bloomsbury sweater. It was so fast. I remembered it being a fast knit, but not this fast. And she loves it, as you could see.
And now the last number. And 6. What about my hat?
How many hats do you have?
2 hats.
Are you ready for winter?
Yeah.
Ready for fall? When I'm not taking care of my family, as you guys know, I am running my shop, and it has been blissfully busy. Not sure if blissfully is a word, but blessedly busy. Anyway, I have been extremely grateful for all of the business that I've been receiving and all of the kindness, and I have just been feeling the need to create new things, which kind of comes with the territory. I have updates every week and try to make as many new designs as I can, seasonally appropriate. So of course that means right now I'm thinking of all sweater weather things and hot drinks and just all of the nature-inspired charms. Friday. Fridays for Adam and I, since the kids started school, are date days. So we go to a tiny Mexican joint in the town about 10 minutes from us, and then after that we get coffee, and if we need it, we go get some groceries. So this is kind of my cameo, I guess, for my own vlog, because I hate being on camera, but I'm sure that'll change as I vlog more, right? As you can see, my craft room, with the help of Siri, our little kitten, has been undergoing a bit of a reorganization. I've been getting several sweater quantities of yarn because, as I mentioned in the last vlog, I plan to start knitting sweaters. I have plans for some cabled hats, so I got some new beautiful wood cable needles because, of course, I lost all of the ones that I had, but no regrets. And yeah, I'm working on a colorwork yoke sweater for myself with a spider web on it. I don't know, I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's called the Arachne sweater. I will link it below in the notes under this video. And it has been such an easy, fun knit. I've really enjoyed it. Color work isn't difficult for me because, as I have said in the past, I did colorwork stockings, I've designed mittens, so it was much easier than I thought to do a colorwork sweater. And I am also tackling the adventure of knitting my husband a sweater. I have been telling him for years that I would knit him a sweater, and I always chickened out because it seemed like such a huge venture. But I found a beautiful sweater to knit with one of my favorite yarns called the Oxbow Cardigan by Andrea Mowry. And I'm really excited. I've started it. It's not difficult, and I'm really excited to see it finished. I can't wait to see him wear it. You know, I had to have a food clip in here because I feel like that's what most of my vlogs have been. It's been shots of me knitting or me cooking, because that's pretty much my life when I'm not doing mom stuff or clay stuff. But this vlog has been interesting for me because I've been trying to discover what type of vlogger I am, And apparently I am one that likes to avoid the camera if you have not noticed. I really enjoy doing the audio over the top of everything. Though whenever I start vlogging more frequently in October, I do plan to have more FaceTime, but hopefully you guys don't mind. I tend to respond better to videos where I can see people doing things and, like, I don't know, make my own story for it. I don't know, that probably doesn't make any sense, but I am very grateful for you guys sticking around for the length of this vlog, and the ones before and the ones after, and I hope you continue to enjoy them as I continue to make them. God bless you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery.